Keep moving forward on the left side. Copy that, moving to section 3.
Look at this spot right here. Measuring the seam now. This section sounds solid.
Cut the seam here.
Copy that.
New panel aligned, start riveting. Ready to pull. Clear the bottom. Watch the weight, bring it down slow.
All right, team, easy in. Watch the gap on the right. Holding steady. Lowering on my mark. Locked in. Release suction. Check the seam right here. Looks good. Applying sealant now. Confirmed. Moving to next section. Heads up. Clear the drop zone. All right, pull back. We're cutting the main support now. Watch the beam coming down. Yeah. Lower it slowly. Watch the left side. All right, hold it steady right there. Bring it down slow. Easy. Hold it right there. Secure that bolt.
Down slow. Watch the alignment.
Hold steady.
Contact. Engaging locks now.
All right, swing it left.
Nice.
Hold it steady there.
Yeah.
Setting the brace now. This wall comes out here. Mark that center line. Confirmed. Starting the grid now. All right, team, measurements complete on this section.
Sure.
Moving to the next frame now. Copy that, secure your tapes. All right, lift it up.
Right.
Watch the left side, steady now. Locking it in place. Watch out for the saw. Bring the nail gun over here. We're ready for the next row. All right, push it left a little. Left side clear.
Sure.
Hold it right there. All right, gentlemen, let's move it to the left. Watch the wall. And easy down. Ready? Lift it up slowly. Okay, hold it steady. Watch the corner, easy now. Guide it left. Okay, lower it slow. Hold it steady right there. Perfect.
Almost there, push it up. Locked in. Brackets secured on section 3.
All right, team, let's get this bed frame positioned now. Watch the wall on the left. Easy, easy.
Yeah.
Looks good right there. Secure it. All right, team, let's keep this moving efficiently. Check the supports on that side. Coming up with the next piece now.
Okay, gently lower the panel into the bracket. Steady now. Make sure it locks in place.
Hold it steady right there.
Securing the connections now. Check the alignment.
Looks good from here. Is that level yet?
Yep.
Just a hair to the left. Hold it there. Okay, secure the base. Okay, lift it up. Watch the left side. Got it. Is it level yet? Almost. Hold it steady right there while I secure this. Check the connections on your side. Powering up the centerpiece now. Looks good, securing the brackets. Check the measurements on that far end again. Looks good, exactly 12 feet. Okay, secure it in place.
We have the measurements, ready for the next section. All right, team, let's move these materials to the third room on the left.
This fixture needs reinforcement before we proceed. Copy that. Let's check the structural integrity of the surrounding panels. Diagnostics indicate a minor power fluctuation in the entertainment console.
Is the power isolated on this circuit yet? Just finished locking it out. You're clear to connect the main terminals now. Check the voltage on line 3. Readings look stable. Connect the ground wire next. Accessing main controls. Activating lighting grid, HVAC stabilization, and perimeter security. All systems nominal.
Okay, team. Focus on the south wall prep first. Copy that. Bringing the electric sander online now. Bring it down slowly. Watch the trench on your right. Yeah. Copy that. Coming down now. Lights are secure, moving to the next section. Let's smooth this section out. Pass me that tamper when you're done. Careful near the saplings. This section looks good. Agreed. All right, team, let's wrap this up. All right, lift it up. Watch the edge there. Set it down on my mark and secure. Lift it higher on the left. Okay, hold it steady. Nail it down now. All right, lift it up. Yeah. Easy, easy. Watch that side. Secured. Next beam coming in. All right, lift it up now. Steady, hold it there. Locking it in place. All right, connect the gas line now. Turning it on. Clear the area. Stand back, initiating the lighter. We're going straight ahead, follow the path here. All right, moving up.
All finished. Looks immaculate. Great work, everyone. Check the corner fixtures. Reading consistent luminance across the main hall. Uniformity is perfect. Clear the scaffolding on sector Gamma. Moving the titanium panels into position now. Watch the clearance on the starboard wing.
All right, lift it slowly. Watch the clearance on the right side. Holding steady. Almost there. Push it into position.